Build your backbone. Take a stand. We won't allow the peer pressures and anxieties of the world keep us down. We are in control. We only have one backbone and we choose to build it daily. Why are we different? Life is too short. We won't be handcuffed to one single pleasure that defines who we are. Pleasures like TV or video consumption, social media, processed foods, drinking, smoking weed, entrepreneur or work consumption, the so-called keeping up with the Joneses, and etc. You know what they are. It's all you think about. These things are not bad when used in proportion. Choose to seek pain, not allowing pain to seek you. Who are we? We are building our backbone. Let us show you how. Much that trail. Time to go check out another one.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match. Riding on a horse, ha, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch now.
From the original. This is cool. Definitely a hangout spot for teenagers. Drink some beers, smoke some weed. Go figure how convenient that is. Wow, okay. So this looks like it was one time a dam that was removed and allowed the river to pass through. Cool.
I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch now. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding on a tractor, lean all in my bladder. Cheated on my baby, you can go and ask her. My life is a movie, but riding in boobies. Cowboy hat from Gucci, Wrangler on my booty. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
Hat down, cross town, living like a rock star. Spend a lot of money on my brand new guitar. Baby's got a habit, diamond rings and Fendi sports bras. Riding down Rodeo in my Maserati sports car. Got no stress, I've been through all that. I'm like a Marlboro man, so I kick on back. Wish I could roll on back to that old town road. I wanna ride till I can't no more.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road.
Okay, that was my first stab at a double trail run. Just so happens to be probably 95% humidity, as I'm not wearing a shirt anymore. Wow, that was a nice trail. There is a lot to see over there. There's a lot to see at Clyde Shepherd Nature Preserve. Probably recommend that you don't run that trail. More of something you gotta take in a little bit slower and walk through. Maybe take your dog on a walk. Now it's time to grab a beer and some food.